All right, let's dive into a topic that feels like it's straight out of a movie, but is actually shaping our world right now: artificial intelligence. You hear the term AI thrown around everywhere, but what does it really mean? And, where is all of this headed?
So when you hear AI, what's the first thing that pops into your head? Are you thinking about super smart robots from the movies, or are you thinking about the world we're actually living in today?
Well, the truth is, it's not some far-off futuristic concept anymore. AI is already here. It's the engine humming away under the hood of our daily lives. It's in the apps on your phone, it's how you get your news, it's even helping to run our cities.
Okay, so to really get a handle on its impact, we need to cut through all the noise and the hype. So let's just break down what we're actually talking about.
At its absolute core, AI is basically when we build machines or software that can do things that usually need a human brain. Think about it. Things like understanding what you're saying, recognizing a face in a photo, solving tricky problems, or even making a decision.
And this is a really important point. It's not the same as how we think. Our intelligence is wrapped up in feelings, intuition, and pure creativity. Machine intelligence, on the other hand, is all about raw power. It can chew through mountains of data at lightning speed, find patterns that we can never see, and learn from them.
And that ability to learn from data, well, that's where the magic really happens. It unlocks some absolutely incredible possibilities. So let's talk about the good stuff, the bright side of AI.
First up, in the world of work, AI is a total game changer. It takes care of all the boring, repetitive stuff. Think data entry or scheduling meetings, and that frees us up to focus on what humans are actually good at. Being creative, thinking up big ideas, and solving complex problems.
Now, in healthcare, the impact is just wow. We're talking about AI systems that can spot diseases like cancer on medical scans, sometimes even earlier and more accurately than a human doctor can. They're helping create treatment plans that are tailored to your specific DNA and even assisting surgeons to perform with superhuman precision.
And this transformation is happening everywhere. In education, you've got learning platforms that can adapt to how each individual student learns. And in transportation, yeah, we have self-driving cars, but AI is also being used to manage traffic across entire cities, which means fewer accidents and less time stuck in traffic jams.
So the bottom line is pretty clear. AI has this massive potential to make things more efficient, to literally save lives, and to open up new doors in pretty much every field you can think of.
It all sounds incredible, doesn't it? A smarter, healthier, safer world. But you've got to ask yourself, what's the catch?
Because with any tool this powerful, there's always another side of the coin. AI isn't some magic wand, and it comes with some pretty serious challenges that we absolutely have to talk about.
And these challenges are big ones.